welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Livity and this is my first vlog. Like, I'm so excited about it. Like, I'm very excited like to start the YouTube channel. Like, this is something I've actually always wanted to do, but I never got to do because I was like putting it off for a very long time. But now I'm at that point where like, nah, I need to start doing the things that I want to do. And it's also the beginning of the year, you know, I have that positivity from New Year's resolutions and stuff. And I just hope like I keep on vlogging. It shouldn't be now because the year started and I'm like looking at my goals and things I want to do. I pray like this is something I keep until the year ends and into the future as well. It shouldn't just be a thing of now that I'm starting a YouTube channel. Yeah, so today is like a Saturday. So today I just plan to go get my health check-in and also get some breakfast. But before I go there, like I need to unbox like a diffuser. I got it like a while ago. Like I really got it a while ago and I've just been, I wouldn't say, I think I got it in December and December was very crazy. Like I was up and down, I was here and there, and then like I just never got to open it because I was busy and I was barely home. So now that I'm like here, I just might as well open it now. Yeah. So like I got this diffuser from Bash. I had like a clear diffuser, but this one is a cream white, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Like I hope it looks nice and I also hope it smells nice. Okay, yo. Ish. Okay, so this is the box. It looks it looks so nice actually. Like it almost looks like a like a bottle or something. Like it looks really nice. So this is it's from the Aromatherapy Co. Velvet Vanilla. Okay, I guess this is the flavor. The scent, I mean. Hey. So yeah, so I actually have a diffuser, but it's kind of like the normal diffusers. So this one, I just love this because it's really different. So I'll just show you guys my old one. So this is my old one. So this is like the normal diffuser you get. So I just wanted to try something different, like in terms of I think the decor, the style. Like this is a bit more unique. I've not really come across this type of diffuser, and my kitchen is mostly white, so I think this will go very well with everything. So yeah. Ish. No. Yeah. Okay. So they give you like a funnel thing type thing. Guess you put it inside here. Yeah. Okay. struggling. Yeah, this thing is actually hard, yo. Okay, I just thought about this. I feel like I'm in a science lab. I feel like I'm in a science lab because like a lot is happening. So let me just show you guys. So I put this final thing there and I'm just pouring. So, okay, I'm not gonna pour all of it. I think this will be enough. Yeah. Okay. And then of course the girl, the most important person. Just put this here now. And voila! Actually, let me sort of smell it. Okay, the vanilla is good. I mean, it smells good. Maybe I was like expecting a much stronger smell, but like I think I can just evaluate this once. Like I'll just give it a few moments, and once I flip it the other side and see how it is in the house, maybe I'll have like a better sense. But it does smell pretty good, just not what I expected, I guess. But hey, I'm just glad. Like I really love this. Like this is really nice, and even with the kitchen vibe setting, like it really goes well. So yeah, so I'm just gonna head out now because I'm done with this, and I'm going now for my health check. Doing my health check, and then I went to Plateau to have some coffee. And then on my way I went to Lee's just to get a few things, like you can see with my evidence. My health check. So I just got like a few groceries. different type of bowl, so I think I'm gonna make that later. Just that right now I'm so tired, like I don't see myself cooking or doing anything. Like I'm literally gonna take a nap right now, like yeah. But I'm actually excited for the bowl that I'm gonna make on later on. That's if I'm not too tired. So, let me just pack these things. You guys, actually yesterday I wanted to make a burrito bowl, but I was extremely tired. Like it was 50-50 whether I'm gonna make it or not. I'm actually craving a burrito bowl from Chiapas. Like I've been craving it like this whole week, but then I don't wanna buy food. I wanna make the food that I'm craving, like for now at least. So that's my goal for today, and also it's gonna help me prep for the following week. So yeah, I hope that tastes good. I really hope it tastes good. But hey, let's try and see how my cooking skills are gonna be.
It's right in front of me, a different energy. Try out a different play. Won't let it waste away. I got it. Feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see clear like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go on, can nothing stop me. Don't give up, no, I know I won't. It's already in motion. I go full speed ahead, right on track. 'Cause I've seen what happens if I hold me back. Yeah, I go full speed ahead, right on track. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead.
I'm done cooking, and I just want to show you guys how I made my thing. So I have like a base of lettuce, and then I'm gonna go in with my rice. Then I'm gonna go in with my mince. So I made mince with red beans. like a roasted corn type of salsa. Just gonna put that on top. Okay, this is how it looks like at the moment. This is quite a lot actually. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.